Smart plugs are the highest return on investment purchase in smart home. They add automation to any existing device, monitor energy, and pay for themselves quickly. Here are the 5 best options under $15 each. Number 1. TP-Link Kasa EP25. The Kasa EP25 stands out for its built-in energy monitoring. You can see exactly how much power each device is drawing in real time. No hub required, Wi-Fi direct, and it works with Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. At around $15, the energy monitoring alone can identify appliances costing you more than expected and justify the purchase immediately. Number 2, Meross Smart Plug. The Meross is the rare Wi-Fi smart plug that supports Apple HomeKit at under $10 per unit. Compact design means it doesn't block the other outlet on a standard double socket. The 4-pack is one of the best value smart home purchases available. Under $40 for complete control over 4 devices. Works locally after initial setup. Number 3, Sonoff S31. The Sonoff S31 is the home assistant user's choice. It includes energy monitoring, has a compact form factor, and, critically, can be flashed with custom firmware for fully local operation with no cloud required. At around $12, it's excellent value. If you run Home Assistant and want plugs that work without any internet dependency, start here. Number 4, IKEA TRETAKT. The TRETAKT is IKEA's Zigbee smart plug and its exceptional value. It requires the IKEA Dirigera hub or any other Zigbee coordinator, but in return you get rock-solid reliability over Zigbee mesh rather than Wi-Fi congestion. The simple design integrates visually into any home. Often found on sale for under €10 and pairs with any Zigbee-based system including Home Assistant. Number 5, Amazon Smart Plug. If you have Echo speakers already, the Amazon Smart Plug is the path of least resistance. It pairs instantly with Alexa without any configuration. Just plug it in, say, "Alexa, discover devices," and it's ready. At $13, it's competitively priced and works seamlessly in Alexa routines from day one. Buy a 4-pack and automate every device that wastes power on standby. The energy monitoring options let you identify exactly which devices are costing you the most. Follow for more smart home value tips every day.